Party Popper, welcome to our channel. Party Popper, in today's delicious episode, we are diving into the world of decadent desserts with an easy and scrumptious Oreo biscuit cake recipe that you can make without an oven. Whether you're a baking novice or a seasoned pro, this no-bake cake is perfect for any occasion, birthdays, parties, or just a sweet treat to enjoy at home. Glowing star. What you'll learn, join us as we guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a mouth-watering Oreo biscuit cake. This recipe is not only simple, but also requires minimal ingredients. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to whip up this delightful dessert using just your favorite Oreo cookies. Key points. Ingredients you'll need: Oreo biscuits, of course, milk, butter, sugar, cocoa powder, whipped cream, optional for decoration. Example, we'll show you how just a few pantry staples can transform into a rich, creamy cake that everyone will love. Preparation method. We'll demonstrate how to crush the Oreos and mix them with the other ingredients. Learn how to create a simple double boiler setup to melt the butter and combine your cake batter. Example, watch as we effortlessly combine these ingredients to achieve the perfect consistency for your cake. Setting the cake. Discover how to properly set your cake in the fridge for that perfect slice. Tips on how to achieve a beautiful presentation with minimal effort. Example, we'll share quick decorating tips to make your cake look as good as it tastes. Serving suggestions. Enjoy it plain, or add your favorite toppings like chocolate syrup or fresh fruits. Perfect for sharing with friends and family, or indulging on your own. Benefits of watching: no oven needed. Perfect for those hot days when you don't want to turn on the oven. Quick and easy. This recipe takes less than 30 minutes of active preparation time.